Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best non-slip yoga mats that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Amazon Basics 1/2 inch extra thick exercise yoga mat. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list, priced at just $21.98, making it ideal for anyone who wants a reliable mat without breaking the bank. The mat features 100% NBR foam construction, which provides excellent cushioning and shock absorption. With a thickness of 1/2 inch, it's perfect for beginners or those with sensitive joints, offering extra comfort during yoga or other workouts. The design is simple but functional, with a textured surface to provide additional traction. It includes an elastic strap for easy portability, allowing you to roll it up and carry it conveniently over your shoulder. While it's durable and springs back into shape after use, the foam material is not as grippy as higher-end mats, which could be a drawback for advanced practitioners who need maximum stability during intense poses. Overall, the Amazon Basics mat is a fantastic option for casual users or those looking for a thick, cushioned mat at an entry-level price. It's easy to clean, lightweight, and versatile for various exercises. However, it's best suited for low to moderate intensity practices, as the non-slip performance may not meet the needs of dedicated yogis. Coming in at number 4 is the Retrospect Solana Yoga Mat, 1/2 inch thick. Priced at $24.99, this mat offers a great balance of affordability and performance. It features a 1/2 inch thick foam design that alleviates stress on pressure points like your joints, hips, and hands. Measuring 72 inches long and 24 inches wide, it provides ample space for a wide range of movements, making it ideal for yoga, Pilates, and general stretching routines. Its non-slip surface ensures you stay steady during poses, helping to prevent injuries and allowing you to focus on your practice. The durable material is BPA-free, phthalate-free, and latex-free, making it safe for frequent use. Additionally, it comes with a nylon strap for easy transport, which is a thoughtful touch for those who travel to studios or outdoor practice spots. However, some users have noted that the foam may compress slightly over time, particularly under heavy use. The Solana Yoga Mat is a solid choice for beginners and intermediate yogis who want a thick, comfortable mat with decent traction. It's easy to clean and maintain, and its eco-conscious construction is a bonus. While it may not be the most durable in the long term, it's an excellent mid-range option for those seeking comfort and support. At number 3, we have the Retrospect Solana Yoga Mat 1 inch thick, which is the thickest mat on our list. This mat is designed with comfort in mind, offering unparalleled cushioning with its 1 inch thickness. It's ideal for those who struggle with joint pain or need extra support during poses that place pressure on sensitive areas like hips, knees, or hands. The non-slip surface ensures stability even during more dynamic movements, while the durable material stands up to everyday use. It's also free from harsh chemicals like phthalates and latex, making it a safe choice for prolonged use. A nylon carrying strap is included for portability, adding convenience to your workout routine. However, keep in mind that the extra thickness may impact balance for advanced poses, and the mat's larger size makes it slightly heavier than thinner options. This mat is a fantastic choice for beginners, seniors, or anyone focusing on restorative yoga practices. While pricing information isn't listed, its features make it worth considering for those prioritizing comfort over portability or advanced grip. At number 2, we have the Cambivo Yoga Mat, priced at $26.99. This mat is designed with versatility in mind, offering options in both 6mm and 8mm thicknesses to accommodate different skill levels. Beginners will appreciate the extra cushioning provided by the 8mm thickness, while experienced practitioners may prefer the 6mm version for better balance and groundedness during advanced poses. Made from high-density TPE material, this mat provides excellent shock absorption and joint protection. The double-sided non-slip surface ensures stability on various flooring types, including wood, tile, and cement. It's lightweight and portable, making it easy to transport to yoga studios or outdoor practice areas. The eco-friendly TPE construction is free from PVC and latex, eliminating harmful odors and making it safe for kids to use as well. However, this mat is specifically designed for barefoot exercises, so it's not suitable for use with shoes. The Cambivo Yoga Mat is a well-rounded choice for yogis of all levels. Its combination of comfort, grip, and eco-conscious design makes it a standout option, though users should be mindful of its limitations for high-intensity workouts that require footwear. And finally, at number 1, we have the Ayuga Yoga Mat, which is the premium option on our list, priced at $34.99. This mat is crafted with high-quality, SGS-certified TPE material, making it lightweight, non-toxic, and eco-friendly. Its double-sided non-slip design ensures maximum stability during high-intensity practices, while the textured top surface prevents feet slippage. The unique bone pattern underside keeps the mat firmly in place, making it ideal for hot yoga and Pilates. The Ayuga mat features a middle layer mesh that enhances tear resistance, ensuring durability even under heavy use. At 6 millimeters thick, it strikes the perfect balance between cushioning and floor connection, providing joint protection without sacrificing stability during balance poses. Weighing only 2 pounds, it's highly portable and comes with a free carrying strap. Cleaning is straightforward with a towel, mild detergent, and air drying. The Ayuga Yoga Mat is the perfect choice for dedicated yogis seeking a high-performance mat that excels in grip, durability, and eco-conscious design. While it's slightly more expensive, its premium features and long-lasting construction make it a worthwhile investment for serious practitioners. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.